What we're looking at is weekly candles. And here's what I want to highlight and bring to your attention, right? So we've gotten up here to 684. Now, whenever you see a massive green candle move up, and then it's an expansion candle, and expansion means that the price accelerated. Very few sellers fought this move up, which means mostly it was driven by overwhelming buyers. That's what makes the candle big. Now we've got a little compression candle. It's the opposite of expansion. It means that after the market jumped up, some sellers showed up to this bull party to say, hold on, wait a minute, don't get carried away. Now, if this gaps back down and crosses beneath the closing price of that candle and goes back and closes beneath the opening price of last week's candle, well, then this sets up a pattern, which I've talked about many times before, which is an evening star pattern. And when these appear at the top of a move, and you can see that we're at the top of a move, they typically are bearish, and they suggest that a reversal is coming very, very soon. What we're watching in the SPY this week, and as we get these Amazon and Apple and Google and all these big companies giving us their success stories or their failure stories, the market's going to move. And it's going to take a lot to keep price climbing, which it means that we would need to get some very bullish news from the president. We would need to get a shocking surprise dovish Fed on Wednesday. So if none of that goes that way, then expect extreme volatility. And remember what I said about the SPY. We're going to be watching this current compression candle. Why is it compressing? Because the bears are not letting the bulls run away with price. What does that mean? It means that folks are starting to sell. Last week, there was optimism. There was an expansion candle, and the sellers were holding off and waiting for the price to go higher. Well, it just went higher, and now they've showed up again.